Diba? How crazy was it from and what do you think was the song? Kasi it was either The Day You Said Goodnight or nakalimutan ko kung anong pang song yun. Pero it kind of put, or was that the song that put the band on the map, kumbaga?
So we our debut single was Broken Sonnet. EMI Philippines put it on a
Ayun, Broken
compile.
Sonnet
Yeah,
pala. Okay.
they decided to put it on a compilation album along with other great senior artists.
Mm-hmm.
And that was our training ground. Uh, we had
Okay.
we were playing front acts for Bamboo for Sugar Free,
Mm-hmm.
and with that single, we had something to promote and
Okay.
to raise awareness that hey, we exist. We have this song, and then when we were working on the debut album and released The Day Said Goodnight, yun na pare. That's when everything just happened like
Happened.
happened so fast. And back then, we we didn't understand the gravity of what was happening. Parang we
Mm-hmm.
were too in 30 days, in a month. We were probably gigging to di na ako nakakain
Mm-hmm.
parang adik pare. Um, uh, the funny part was we we didn't the demand, the schedule that was being
Uh-huh.
given to us. Parang, oh, ito, promote, 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 promote. It wasn't until like after 6 months na my dad started to question, what was happening na parang, you guys are promoting heavily, but I think it's time to make money. Because we were doing a lot of promo gigs, and that's where my dad came in and said, we need to start making money. So, konting
Mm-hmm.
calibration lang. And then, okay naman. Um, ano ba to? Thing, bro. Bar gig,
Mm-hmm.
yes. Major tour, yes. TV guest, yes. Yes na yes, man.
Yes. Yes nang yes.
And we were understanding the landscape. Man, I even had this awkward photo shoot. They featured us in a magazine and they made me a freaking angel, bro. Kadiri siya. And you have to understand when you're that young, you don't have a voice yet to say, "Hey, I don't want to do this. I'm uncomfortable." Because you
Oh.
don't you're
Tsaka,
absorbing.
the hiya factor.
Oh, you're absorbing too much. You don't want to be too uh
Choosy.
parang
Di ba? Don't wanna
you
be
don't want to
picky.
yeah, you don't want to offend people at the same time, and you just want to trust. You're too naive. You're young, man. Basically, you're young.
Mm-hmm.
So first year we were just that. We were kids saying yes to everything. Uh, but I think it did sharpen us. We learned
Mm-hmm.
how to say no. We learned how to put value on our craft kasi before people were undercutting us
Okay.
or alam mo yun, parang ano rin eh, when you're exposed,
There will always be people who will try to take advantage of it, diba?
yes,
There will always be people who will try to take advantage of you and whatever whatever amount of popularity and or exposure that they could get, diba? These things will happen. So it's just a matter of you doing your best to be in control of the situation.
and when during the first year of Hale, we were basically friends with everyone
Mm.
until the crab mentality started,
Mm.
and we felt like we were getting alienated by the same people in the
Uh-huh.
scene who were supposed to be our friends when we were starting, and then
Uh-huh.
all of a sudden, since we're alam mo yun, nakaangat ka na ng konti,
Nakangat ka.
things change, and you learn how to take care of yourself, you protect yourself, you don't put yourself in a situation where you get take advantage of, or you just anyway, it's not worth your while. Uh,
Exactly.
the process of making your circle smaller starts,
Mm-hmm.
which is again one of my core values right now for success. You got to learn how to filter your circle. Same with criticism, same with advice. You gotta learn. You gotta be smart enough when to take in criticism, when to take in advice, or identify which is BS and which is real.
Mm-hmm.